Hi guys, it's Tony from Tony's RC Tech, and I've got my first camera drone. Right, obviously I'm not going to do camera today. I'm just going to do normal flying. I've never flown a drone before or anything like that, so this is my first go. Well, I've had a little bit of practice, but first really go. So I've got this off Colski Drones. Check his channel out, fantastic channel on drones and even RC cars and stuff like that. So he does that. Anyway, this is called the VISUO Private Eye, right? And again, this is like a good starter drone for anybody who wants to go in it, who wants to get into it, really. So basically, I'm going to get to it, right? So I'm going to put the drone down, and then my nephew, who's recording,
hello,
right, will record me flying and try and keep. So I'm going to start off flying the drone. Wish me luck, guys. So it's got like a steady thing where you can just hold it steady like that. Look how steady that is. And then again, I'm not the best at flying, but I'm just going to show you. Well, I'm not showing you, I'm just showing, like. Oh, see what I mean? As you can tell, I'm new at this. It's got the little eyes.
that may be so you know where it is.
And you can go high with this as well. Can't even see it. Just keep going. But I won't go with that eyepiece. I don't know. I'm still practicing. But that's how steady it is. And this was Colski Drones' go-to drone. And just spin around like that.
That scared me, that.
Just stay there, I'm looking at the place.
No!
Stay there, stay there.
Tony,
No, stay there. Push me.
I don't really trust you.
So, there you go there, and a thing, it's got a balance thing on it. Ow! But as you can see, it's got like a gyro in it. So, again, I'm just going to start getting into these drones. Hang on. Wrong way. Hang on. See? It's all just... So I've just got to keep practicing, guys, and that's all I can say to you. If you're getting into drones, you've just got to practice, really.
Where is it? The drone. Right, found it. Go.
Yeah? I'm going to try and come towards us here. You can't really see the contrast. But basically it's so steady. Look at that, just staying there. And I can just do that. And then just go. Boom. Oh, I absolutely love it. And then come back. It's so easy to use. Obviously I need well more practice, like, but that's why Colin recommended it to me, because it's a good starter drone to start you off with. And there, just turn, and then turn the other way.
These turns are smooth.
That's what I mean, it's so smooth. Obviously I'm a bit jittery because it's me who's flying it, because
Come on, try and land it.
okay. so we come back here. It's also got a beeper on it as well. So it beeps basically when the battery's running out. So I'll try it again now. So, hang on a sec.
So you want to calibrate it again?
So, here we go again. So I can just like lift it up like that. Again, I've got to get used to all the controls and stuff. But if I go over here, let me just see if it can return to home. So if I've got here out of trouble, let me just see. Again, I don't know if it works without the GPS, because I've not got the app. Well, I have got the app. Right, so if I press return to home, so it basically stops where it is. And stops. It stops what's doing. I don't, yeah, well that's close. But I don't know. Colin will have to tell me about that. I'll have to have a look back again on it. But I tell you what, you get some flight time out of this.
What I want to do is I'll probably crash it straight away. It'll probably break over me.
Close to the fence there. You see how high it goes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how high it goes.
What do you do if the battery starts running out?
It gives you about 5 minutes. Oh my word. Right. So look, that's beeping saying the height. Oh no, it's saying the battery.
Actually, I'll bring that down, you know.
Right, so there's the height of it there. So there's the battery, as you can hear it. And it gives you plenty of time to get back to wherever you are. So I'll just carry on going here with the battery flashing. So if you were like, I don't know, hundreds of feet away, it still give you time to come out.
I'll land that now. Can't see it. Oh.
Again, see, still going, even though the battery's saying it's low. So again, just showing you how. He very fell. Again, still flashing, so it gives you plenty of warning beforehand. And I've seen on Banggood.com that you can get 3 of these batteries for 20 quid, which is that's Banggood. So I'll be getting some more batteries for it.
They last long as well, so
yeah,
that's good. It means that you'll get more flight time.
You're right there, mate. Bang on. Again, still beeping. So I'm just showing you how much flight time you get after once it starts beeping. So you don't need to panic.
Land it there.
So now it's landing, and that's it. So there you go. So if you come with me, so right guys, are you recording stuff? Right, so that's the drone. That's the VISUO private eye one. So I'll turn this off now. Basically guys, that is an amazing drone. So I'm gonna obviously get footage of the camera itself, but I was just showing you basically it flying as I'm flying it. So the next one I'll do on this will be just like with the camera as well, and Colin's done it as well on the camera, and it looks amazing pictures anyway. So again, I don't think this is very dear. I think you can get 3 batteries and the drone and everything for like £80 odd on Banggood.com. So again, fantastic. Thanks very much, Colin, for giving me this starter drone. Really appreciate it. And that's Tony's RC Tech out. Boom.